This audio is to help you learn to accept the physical sensations of anxiety. Let's begin by taking a slow breath in and gently letting it out. Allow your body to settle just a little more each time you exhale. You don't need to change anything right now. You're simply here to understand your body in a new way. Today we're focusing on the physical sensations of anxiety, not to eliminate them, not to fight them, but to understand them. Anxiety is a body-based response. It is your nervous system preparing you to respond to a perceived threat. That means the sensations you feel are not random. They are purposeful. They are designed to help you survive. Let's walk through some of the most common sensations. You might notice a racing heart. When anxiety activates your fight or flight system, adrenaline is released. Adrenaline increases heart rate so more blood can circulate to your muscles. Your body is preparing you to move quickly if necessary. A racing heart can feel intense, but in a healthy heart, it is not dangerous. It is a normal response to stress, exercise, excitement, or fear. Just as your heart speeds up when you climb stairs, it can speed up during anxiety. Take a slow breath in and remind yourself, my heart is responding to adrenaline. It knows how to do this. You may notice shortness of breath or the urge to take deeper breaths. When anxious, breathing often becomes faster and shallower. This can lead to sensations of lightheadedness, tightness in the chest, or feeling like you can't get enough air. But the sensation of not enough air during anxiety is usually the opposite problem. It's often mild overbreathing. Your body is taking in more oxygen than it needs. This can feel uncomfortable. It can feel alarming, but it is not harmful. Slow, steady breathing helps restore balance. Not because you were in danger, but because your system was temporarily overactivated. You might notice dizziness or feeling unsteady when you are anxious. This can happen when breathing changes, when adrenaline shifts blood flow, or when muscles tense. Dizziness during anxiety is common. It feels uncomfortable, but it does not mean you are about to faint. In fact, fainting from anxiety alone is rare because blood pressure typically rises during panic. Take another breath and remind yourself, this sensation is uncomfortable, but it will pass. You may feel tingling in your hands or face when you are anxious. This is often related to breathing changes. When carbon dioxide levels shift slightly, tingling can occur. It is temporary. It resolves as breathing normalizes. You might notice sweating, trembling, nausea, tight muscles, or a lump in your throat. Each of these sensations has a physiological explanation. Sweating cools the body. Trembling prepares muscles for movement. Nausea happens because digestion slows when your body prepares for action. Muscle tension protects you. None of these sensations mean something is wrong. They mean your body is activated. Now, it's important to say something clearly and calmly. It's important to understand what your typical anxiety symptoms feel like and to discuss them with your doctor so you have clarity about what is anxiety and what is not. When you and your physician have identified these sensations as part of your anxiety response, it becomes easier to respond to them with confidence rather than fear. Knowing your baseline and checking out unfamiliar symptoms when needed allows you to approach anxiety symptoms with reassurance while still taking good care of your health. But for many people with panic and anxiety disorders, the symptoms are familiar. They are repetitive. They follow a predictable pattern. When that is the case, the work becomes learning to reinterpret them accurately. Not as danger, but as activation. You can even practice saying, "This is my nervous system doing what it was designed to do. My body can handle this. I have felt this before and it passed." Remember, sensations rise, peak, and fall. They are waves, not permanent states. Simple understanding can begin to reduce fear. You don't have to like the sensations, but they're simply body sensations. And in some contexts, some people even pursue them for the feeling of intensity or excitement. So you can simply recognize them for what they are: temporary, uncomfortable, but not harmful. Take another slow breath in and let it out gently. Notice your body right now. There may be subtle sensations present. That's normal. The body is always shifting. You can feel sensations without interpreting them as threats. You can feel activation and remain steady. You can trust your body. These sensations are meant to help you, not hurt you. They are meant to prepare your body to manage a threat. But that doesn't mean you are threatened right now. Sometimes the brain overreacts to threat, and these sensations occur, but they are normal, natural reactions. Let that reassurance settle in. Anxiety symptoms are signals, not emergencies. They are experiences, not dangers. They are temporary, not permanent. Take one final breath and remind yourself, I can feel this. I can tolerate this. My body knows how to handle it. When you're ready, return to your day with a little more understanding and a little more calm confidence in your body. The more you listen to this audio, the more it can help build reassurance about these physical sensations.